Hi everybody and welcome. Today I have EARFUN WavePro ANC headphones and I'm going to show you how can you easily manage your tone and voice prompts. At first scroll down to voice prompt setting and go to it. Here as you can see we have tone volume. We can either increase this volume or decrease. As you can see here we have voice language and English, Japanese or Chinese, Mandarin. If you want to change voice language to some other language, we should click on it and then continue. Now we have to wait a moment, and if we want to go back to English we have to tap on English and then continue. That's it, hope it helps you, goodbye!